Welcome scale modelers to SMKR. This is Steve. Up next is a restoration project that I have. This happens to be the 1962 release Monogram Big T Custom T-Ford Street and Show Pickup. This is kit number PC78. Now I did not receive the box. I was told that a gentleman built this many years ago, and I think it's been passed around our miniature auto car club quite a bit. I picked this up for $20, and I figure it would be a great project to do a restoration, maybe turn it into a rat rod. You can see it's some parts are broken off. There are actually some parts missing. The windshield, the top is missing. Tires are solid rubber. And some of the suspension parts have fallen off. For the most part, most of it is here. So it should be fun to build and do. Dusty and dirty. I thought I would do this vlog to document my progress on its build. This is what the kit looked like, kit box, back in the day. And that's what the box looks like. Side view of the box. Now these kits can be quite expensive when you find them complete. And here's the side of the box. Here's the interior. Now I did notice there's a bolt and a penny or something inside of there. Interesting model indeed. Fuel tank, first aid kit, and some tools. Look very nice. Interesting that this is a Ford chassis but a Chevrolet engine. See the Chevrolet valve covers. Real cloth seat belts. Turn it over here. And rubber band for the belt. So it should be fun to detail out. And rat rod it. Okay, I'll go ahead and remove the bolt. And let's see about removing this penny. Looks kind of shiny for a penny. Is that a 5? So, looks like it's a nickel. Let me turn it around. And if I'm reading right, it says 1911. Wow. Totally didn't see that in there. And it's a nice bonus for picking this up, used at my club. Wow. So, very cool. Got this 1911 nickel with this 1962 Big T Monogram kit.